How to change display language setting in FastBull account. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're looking for a way to change your interface language setting in the FastBull charts account, first of all launch open a web browser and type in fastbull.com and search. Make sure that you are logged into your FastBull account, and once you are in, from the home page after logging in, go to the upper right corner and click on this language drop down or English drop down, which is currently my choice on my account. Now you'll see several different language options you can choose from. Choose to the one you want to change to, and with just a simple click, you'll be able to change your FastBull interface language setting. You can always get back to the language of your choice whenever you prefer by repeating this step. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.